Your time starts now. In the heat of the moment, one of our teams, the Flaming Rockets, met with a bit of a misadventure.
I now have a good boat ride.
I loved it.
A later part of that crawl, I got a little stuck.
I knew that Tushar bhi wo jaldi kar lega.
Got this far, some more to go. For a winner never quits and a quitter never wins.
Bhopal, a beautiful city known for its history, its greenery, lakes, and its awkward Bhopali twang. This city, however, has another side to it. Maddening roads, crazy traffic, and a city that never ever follows traffic rules. These roads will be a testing ground for our teams in today's episode. All our teams have to drive through this crazy traffic while trying to decode their clues, asking locals and finding their way around. Once at the location, they have to carry out some unusual tasks in the smartest possible way in order to stay on top of the Volvo XC adventure. Will Chirag be able to wade through Bhopal's maddening traffic? Is Kshitij a good navigator? All this and more in today's episode. A brand new day and a brand new challenge on the Volvo XC adventure. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Well, so far we have tested you on your skill of balance and physical ability. How far could you push yourself and how strong really are you to compete for the rest of the weeks? Today we're going to be testing you on your city driving, your navigation, and how do you work together as a team.
Okay.
There's a few things that I must tell you. Firstly, responsibility, not just for yourself, but also for your team member and others who may be walking across the road. The second thing I'd like to tell you about is safety. Farah Nakul, you could not complete your challenge yesterday. So Flaming Rockets, today you will not be allowed to participate in the task.
इसलिए बुरा लग रहा है सोचा ही था ये होगा पर ठीक है जैसे जैसे होगा वैसे वैसे देखेंगे और ट्राई करेंगे अपना बेस्ट देने का
There was another team as well that had a dent. Both of you will have a penalty for that, and as a result of which you will start at the bottom of the ladder today. That said, it is time now to find out which point of the ladder you're going to start at today. In the physical tasks, all teams were timed individually. The team which took the least time was the Lightning Challengers. Anushka and Prem took 1 hour, 59 minutes and 30 seconds and as a result are on top of the game. Kshitij was apprehensive about his physical fitness. Still, the Java Explorers braved through all the tasks. They took 2 hours and 4 seconds and stood on second position. The Sapphire Surfers started at the bottom, but they managed to catch up with the rest of the teams. The Sapphire Surfers took 2 hours, 1 minute and 45 seconds to finish the task, and they stand as a result third as they start the game today. Showing their exemplary fitness, the White Knights took 2 hours, 3 minutes and 58 seconds, and they stand fourth. Probel with his skill and Arvind with his army background were on top of the game till the time Arvind slipped at the rope walk. The Midnight Thrillers took 2 hours, 4 minutes and 29 seconds, and they are in the 5th place in today's episode. After a wrong judgment call on a sharp bend, the Flaming Rockets met with an accident and couldn't complete their task. Hence, they stand at the bottom of the barrel. We're going to start with the first team, the Java Explorers. Here's your keys.
Thank you.
Pick up your clues from there.
I am a warm drink, loved in the mornings, to wake up from sleep. Raju makes me best in the old city street. I think this is a place called as Sulaimani Chai. This is the only place in Bhopal where you get a chai and it's very famous. I think it should be somewhere near Chatori Gali. Let's go.
Well, the next team, Sapphire Surfers, keep up the good work and drive safe.
We'll be looking for statues and we'll be looking for petrol pumps. The one we haven't figured out is Anand makes me best. We'll figure it out. Let's go.
When we got the first clue, we read the clue. Initially, we were not able to figure out what it is. We thought it was a coffee shop or a tea shop in some mall.
Go guys, go!
Raju is the owner.
He makes something.
Chai wala.
Warm drink. Chai
Warm
wala.
drink, chai?
Chai wala.
Chai?
Because see, loved in the mornings. So
Yeah.
I'm sure it's a chai wala. So we have to figure out and find this chai wala first.
Yeah.
Lightning Challengers, you are the fifth team. Today, be careful with your car.
पहला जो क्लू मिला था उसमें लिखा हुआ था कि something like I am sweet generally I'm taking in the morning, so we figured out कि चाय कॉफी जैसा कुछ है.
It says in the old city street. पहले ये पता कर लेते हैं कि old city किधर है.
We are out of the city right now, so let's move into the city. पहला क्लू जब मिला तभी हमें पता था एग्जैक्टली वो क्या है, बिकॉज हमने पहले भी भोपाली चाय के बारे में सुना हुआ था एंड देयर आर क्वाइट अ फ्यू टी स्टॉल्स व्हिच आर फेमस इन भोपाल, बट देन लोकेटिंग द एग्जैक्ट वन वाज चैलेंज. मे बी देयर इज अ नेक्स्ट क्लू.
I guess. On देता रहे.
It's Maharana Pratap Nagar.
We had a crucial lapse of judgment. We got to drive another 5-6 miles, but that was all right because it was comfortable. The roads were all right.
मोती मस्जिद, हमीदी हॉस्पिटल.
ऊपर जाना पॉलिटेक्निक से. चल बराबर है, हमेदी हॉस्पिटल राइट. चलो थैंक यू.
Jawahar Chowk se we have to go right. Good, yeah. My navigation skills are improving. And it was really interesting because we were doing city driving. We didn't know Bhopal. It was first time driving in Bhopal. We were really like hunting for this place.
उधर उस साइड.
Okay.
ये कैसे जाना पड़ेगा यहाँ से?
बिल्कुल यहाँ से सीधे जाइएगा.
वो नाम पता है उसको?
बिल्कुल राजू टी स्टॉल कहीं भी पूछेंगे बता दें.
ठीक है.
Mohammad Afzal has helped us a lot in this task. We are very thankful to him. हमारे टास्क कंप्लीट हो जाए.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
The first person whom we asked, he explained very well कि पुरानी सिटी में है, ये बहुत फेमस चाय की एक दुकान है, वहाँ पे ये हॉस्पिटल है, हमीदिया हॉस्पिटल, तो आप वहाँ पे जाना है.
से राइट लेना है. Take it right and keep going straight.
Okay.
It's in MP Nagar, I think.
इस सिटी के बारे में हमें कुछ पता नहीं था. धीरे धीरे थोड़ा दिमाग लगाया, पता किया कि ऐसे कितने सिनेमाज हैं जिसके सामने महाराणा प्रताप की मूर्ति है.
यहीं से ले ले.
We went around twice hunting for a coffee shop along with a mall, we're having a movie hall and petrol pump beside it.
हाँ, movie hall.
ठीक है, thank you. Anand tea stall या Anand sweet house या
Sweet से.
After asking a few people, we came to know okay, there is a Anand sweet shop. So then we asked, do they make tea coffee? So they said, yes, we make tea coffee. So then we were on a hunt for the Anand tea shop.
Raju tea stall. We got it. हो रहा सामने. मिल गया.
I think we have reached the stall.
We reached Raju Chai Wala. We were relieved and he gave us 2 cup of glasses of his chai and asked us to taste it.
I think we have reached the right destination. This is the famous chai from Bhopal, that is Raju tea stall. Everybody on the route knew this place.
उन्होंने हमें invite किया कि आप बनाइए. I quickly realized that yes, ये शायद task है.
Initially I thought it'll take entire day for us to reach there because I almost lost hopes there.
We did a few rounds circling and trying to take our lefts and right and to reach the location.
हमें पता चला कि आप यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा चाय और कॉफी बनाते हो, इसीलिए हमको क्लू मिला था कि हमको ये जगह ढूंढनी है.
नगर किधर पड़ेगा? सीधा है ना? हाँ. चौराहा, दूसरा चौराहा. एक चौराहा क्रॉस करके दूसरा चौराहा से राइट.
Thank you.
I am a museum as old as man. Trace your culture.
On my hilly land, you can potter around on my Kumar grounds, just turn into an artist and head to the next town.
ये definitely
This is
मटके बनाते हैं शायद. Potter वही है और Kumar grounds.
After trying their hands at tea making, the contestants will be given their next clue to find the Museum of Man or the Manav Sangrahalay. This museum depicts the story of mankind in time and space. Shampa Shah, Bhopal's well-known potter, is waiting for them there to create a few little gems.
We reached Raju tea stall and that was a wonderful occasion. I could see when the tea making part came, it was a huge cauldron and he was telling that you guys have to prepare tea.
चाय आप बना के देखिएगा, आप भी बना के मुझे पिलाइए. चलिए. हाँ.
कुमार ग्राउंड्स किधर है यहाँ पे? म्यूजियम किधर मिलेगा? म्यूजियम
कुमार ग्राउंड कहाँ है भाई साहब?
इनको नहीं पता, चल आगे चल जाने दो।
तो सेकंड क्लू से हम लोग ऐसा लगा कि वी आर क्लूलेस। हमने कुछ लोगों से पूछा, इज देयर एनी म्यूजियम हियर? सो दे सेड नो, वी आर नॉट अवेयर।
आप तो एक्सपर्ट हैं, बट थोड़ा पास आया ना टेस्ट।
आपके
It feels a great achievement that we've done our task and we made tea for everybody and they're liking the tea.
Thank you.
When we got the second clue, things became a little easier because we knew how to go about it.
So as soon as we got the clue, we were
Okay,
very
BBC
lucky
se-
because we got some very smart people over there who could help us with the clue.
We may have lost a little bit on time, but we tried to make sure we are following all the rules and we are driving as safe as possible because we're not used to traffic over here.
We started making tea and he was like, ये सब डालना है. I was like, I know it.
We still see a team जगह सही है क्योंकि टीम एक पहले से है. So we're not very late.
अब आप बताइए, अभी चाय आप पका नहीं पाए थे।
फर्स्ट राउंड में थोड़ा स्वीट हो गया था ज़्यादा, चीनी ज़्यादा हो गई थी।
मैं करता हूँ।
दूसरी बार when I did it, it was wonderful. So he liked the tea and he gave us the second clue.
अब बनी है आपकी चाय।
मज़ा आ गया। आप पे ऐसे तो फिर भी नहीं मिल बनी होगी, फिर भी
बहुत अच्छा लगा, लीजिए।
Thank you, sir. Thank you. We got the clue, and what I thought was, rather than going on the streets and asking someone else, this chai wala guy is a local guy, so why not to ask him only? So, मिट्टी के बर्तन कहाँ बनते हैं? I asked this guy. He was like, there are two places where मिट्टी के बर्तन बनते हैं. One was in Old City. Another clue that we had is near an old museum. So I was like, which is the oldest one? He said that.
लेक में मानव संग्रहालय के नाम। मानव संग्रहालय।
आप बताइए ना कैसी है? नहीं हमने बनाई है ना। बहुत बढ़िया। थैंक यू सो मच। नमस्ते। थैंक यू।
भैया यहाँ पे मटका वगैरह कहाँ बनाते हैं?